Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, March 17, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am very tired today. I need a big cup of coffee.
Are you very busy today?
Yes, I have 3 long meetings. Sales are very slow right now.
I understand. I have a lot of project work too.
My computer is very slow today. It is very frustrating for me.
Maybe you need a new computer. You should ask the IT team.
That is a good idea. I will call them after my break.
Is the coffee machine ready?
Yes, here is your coffee. Be careful, it is very hot.
Thank you, David. I really need this hot coffee.
Me too. I did not sleep well last night.
Why not? Are you stressed about your work?
A little bit. But I also read the news very late in bed.
Oh, really? What news did you read last night?
I read an article from the New York Times. It was from March 10.
What is the news about? Is it good news?
Global leaders agree on a 15% minimum tax for tech giants.
That is very interesting. It is a big change for the economy.
Yes, it is. They want to boost public revenue in many countries.
Big technology companies make a lot of money every year.
Exactly. Now they must pay more taxes to the government.
I think this is very fair. Society needs that money for public services.
As a salesperson, I always think about the final prices.
Do you think consumer prices will go up?
Yes, maybe computers and mobile phones will be more expensive soon.
That is a good point. Companies always want to protect their profits.
We use a lot of technology in our office every day.
True. Our project costs can increase a lot next year.
I hope our clients do not complain about higher prices.
We need to plan for this in our new budgets.
Yes, we must be very careful with our company money.
15% is a lot of money for those big companies.
But they have billions of dollars. They will be completely fine.
I agree with you. Public schools and hospitals need the money more.
That is true. I just want cheap computers for my sales team.
You always think about your sales numbers, David.
Of course, that is my job here.
Do you have any other interesting news to share?
Let me think. Yes, I read another article on my phone.
Was it about business and money too?
No, this one is about primary schools and new technology.
That sounds very interesting. Where did you read it?
I read it in the Washington Post. The date was March 11.
Tell me about it. What is happening in the schools?
Japan is using 50 AI robots in their primary schools.
Wow, robots in schools? That is very modern and different.
Yes, it is a new pilot program for the students.
Why do they need robots in primary schools?
Because they have a big teacher shortage in the country.
I see. There are not enough human teachers for the children.
Exactly. So the 50 robots help the young children learn.
How do the robots help the children in the classroom?
They answer simple questions and help the students with homework.
That is a very smart solution for a difficult problem.
I do not know. I think robots are very cold and boring.
But AI is very advanced now. It can be very friendly.
Children need real people. They need warm human connection.
I understand your point. Human teachers are very important for development.
Imagine a robot teaching you how to read a book.
It is different, but maybe it is necessary right now.
I prefer a real teacher. Robots do not have any feelings.
True, but they do not get tired or sick either.
That is funny. A robot never needs a long coffee break.
Exactly. They can work all day without stopping to rest.
Maybe we need a robot for our busy sales team.
A robot cannot sell products to our clients, David?
You are right. Clients like to talk to real people.
Yes. Human communication is key in the business world.
I hope they do not replace us with AI robots.
I do not think so. Our office jobs are safe for now.
This coffee is really good today. I feel much better.
Yes, it is much better than the coffee yesterday.
I need to prepare for my first meeting very soon.
What time is your first meeting today?
It is at 10 o'clock. I still have some free time.
Good. I have a long project meeting at 11 o'clock.
We are always very busy in this big office.
Yes, but it is good to have a short break together.
Did you read any news this week, Alex?
Yes, I read a very nice story yesterday evening.
Oh, really? What was the news story about?
I read an article in the Boston Globe from March 12.
Is it about international politics or new technology?
No, it is about history and culture. It is very interesting.
I really like history. Please tell me more about it.
A London museum has a new and rare collection.
What kind of collection is it? Is it art?
No, it is a collection of 2,000 ancient coins.
2,000 coins? That is a lot of very old money.
Yes, it is very rare and very valuable for history.
Where did they find the 2,000 ancient coins?
Someone found them in a normal residential garden.
In a garden. That is amazing and very lucky.
Yes, a normal person was digging in their back garden?
And they just found 2,000 ancient coins in the dirt?
Exactly. Now all the coins are in the London Museum.
I want to find a big treasure in my garden too.
Do you even have a garden at your home, David?
No, I live in a very small city apartment.
Then you cannot find any ancient coins in the dirt.
Maybe I can find some old coins under my sofa.
I do not think those coins are ancient or valuable.
You are right. They are just normal coins for the supermarket.
The museum says the coins are from the old Roman time.
That is very old. Human history is always fascinating to me.
Yes, it connects us to the past and our ancestors.
I wonder how much money 2,000 ancient coins cost today.
You always think about the price and the money, David?
I am a sales representative. Money is my daily job.
The historical value is much more important than the money.
I know. But it is still a very good question.
The museum will show the coins to the public very soon.
I would like to see them in person one day.
Maybe you can visit London on your next summer holiday.
That is a great idea. I really love traveling to Europe.
London has many great museums to visit and explore.
I will add it to my travel list for 2026.
Well, I need to go back to my desk now.
Me too. My 10 o'clock meeting is starting very soon.
Do you have all your sales documents ready for the clients?
Yes, I printed everything this morning before our coffee break.
Good luck with your big sales meeting today, David.
Thank you, Alex. Good luck with your new project.
Let us talk more tomorrow morning at the coffee machine.
Yes, see you later, Alex. Have a good day at work.
See you later, David. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.